Sanibonani. Sisaphezulu wayo. UMa-K wakuthando nesithembu. We can see uMakhumalo Nkosi yami looking beautiful and delicious as never than before. Ubepostile nokuphosta ugele athi hayi uhabi says yes, and she was wearing i-tracksuit ebhlukwe engathi iyabambanyana, and she captioned ukubana uhabi says yes, so which means uhabi doesn't have inkinga with the tracksuit. And I know ukubana we've been having ama-rumors wokuthi naye she wants to leave uMa-K. She's still wearing a ring and she's still captioning ukuthi hayi me and my hubby sisase right Nkosi yami, naku uyangivumela nokungivumela ukubana nginxibe amabhuluku. So we can see lana she was even at church, she was live busy nje doing her praise and worshiping, looking all happy, like awukho nto etshintshileyo kuye, okanye that's what they want to portray it. So whatever that it is that is happening, uMa-K, she is happy, she is moving on with her life. I'm sure the same way she moved on when uMangwabe was introduced. I guess naye somehow she's in that lane kaMakhumalo lokubana hayi they've all have came, they're gonna be coming now. So yep, it is, I guess she's in that it is what it is mode ukuthi awukho nto enizoyenza ukubana sistope umseleko ukubana abe with wife number 5, 6, 7, even 10th wife. If he wants to do it, he can do it as long mnani right. Asethembeke yena njengoba sesivile sonke ukubana hayi uMakhwela uyithwele, apparently the baby is out already. So let's hope again ukubana now they can proceed with indaba ye-IVF kaMa-K naye Nkosi yami. Let's hope ukubana naye she will be given a chance to be a mom Nkosi yami. There's nothing that is as beautiful as being a mom. Surely nje naye she wishes to have her own child. So yes, we can see her. She's happy. What do you guys think? Thank you.